Hi guys, it's the Macintosh Guide, and today we're going to be looking at a brand new video. Now today I am currently in New Jersey in the United States, and I've been able to pick up a few devices that I think you guys will absolutely love for me to unbox. Now we of course know how the UK market is in terms of all of the devices that we unbox. Why not switch it up and show you how some of the devices in the United States look? So guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy this unboxing. Now, I got this device for around $600, so around maybe £520 or so. And I hope you guys can guess what it is, but let's get straight into unboxing it. So I've removed, the only thing I did was open up the FedEx package, and that was only because the address and everything was there. But it comes in a box, as you can see right here. So what are we going to do? Well, let's open up the box the best we can. It is very, 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 very strongly put in. And the first thing we see in here is a USB-C cable. Now I am very disappointed. This is not an official Apple USB-C cable. Why? I would have expected this to at least be an official cable. In the UK you get the official cable most of the time when given, but this is just a cheap aftermarket one. It seems like from Maduro, just a generic USB-C. So not a great start already. So if we pull back the cover, we can see the devices right here, and I'm just going to read this off camera really quickly just to make sure what this is about. This is just information about the SKU and all those things. So I'm going to put one of the letters away. I'm going to move this box out of the way for us as well. And it says the following. Attention! Should you decide to return your order, we ask that you deactivate iCloud account on the phone before shipping it back. This can be done via iPhone itself or iCloud.com. And then it's just talking about the deactivation steps on how to do it on the iPhone and how to do it on the iCloud. And it looks like it's from a company called Network Store. So it's a reseller within the BestBuy app. So that's fair enough. We can understand. Let's put that to the side. And let's get straight into this box. So you can see it's packaged. There's some information of the item underneath. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some scissors, put a hole over here, put a hole over there, and then we're going to see, which item we received. So yeah, guys, let me just get back to you. So I've got my trusty New Jersey scissors right here, and it's going to be as simple as we'll put a slit over here, if I can do it properly while the camera's still running. And I believe that's a decent amount of slit right there. And I think that should be enough for us to open this box up. So let's see, can we raise this box up? Yes, we can. And there we see it. We see the device. It's an iPhone, of course. Now let's have a look at the packaging and see what we received. So there's nothing else in the box. There's nothing else, as you guys can see. It's quite heavy, very heavy. And we can see the phone has been well packaged. It is it's an iPhone. Which iPhone is it? But before we have a look at that, let's just look at the quality of the phone. So you can see there's no types of scuffs, there's no scratches, there's nothing. Let's look at the aluminium. Now this phone looks brilliant. This is a flawless, oh there you go, you see one mark right here, but I think that rubs off. It doesn't, I don't think it's a scratch. It feels sticky. It's this, actually, I think you can see, there you go, look, it is a scratch. It is a scratch. Which, do you know what? For $600 you pay, it's nothing crazy. And then there's also another marker. It seems to be something sticky. I'm not gonna lie, it's something sticky. But we see this Now this can only mean it's an iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's turn it on. It turns on. And again, this is and you can tell this is a US model. There is no SIM card slot at all. In the US models, there are no SIM card slots. They're all fully eSIM. So it's great to be receiving a device. This is in fantastic condition. I'm not gonna lie, it's a beautiful conditioned iPhone. And I'm just having a look at the screen one more time. I don't notice anything. The buttons, they all seem to be working absolutely fine. And it's running iOS 26. So let me go through setup really quickly, and then we'll come to the phone and see if there's any issues anywhere. So here we have it. We have now finally got to the home screen of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now the first thing I want to check is settings. Have a look at the general and have a look at over here. So it's running iOS 26.0.1, so it's actually running an older firmware. It's a 256 gig device, so that's brilliant. It hasn't seemed to have had any Apple sort of work go on or anything like that. So I'll check the warranty and stuff in a second, but it's running obviously 26.0.1 and it's had no Apple repairs done as well. There's no SIM restrictions. It's fully unlocked, so we can use international SIM cards on this phone. So yeah, so that's actually the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now let's have a look at camera. Is the camera working absolutely fine? There seems to be no problems with the camera. There's no artifacting happening anywhere. It's working as it should be. And then even the front facing is working absolutely fine. You can see I'm using my Pixel phone while I'm traveling, but yeah, it's running absolutely fine. Now let's have a look at the battery. That's the biggest thing. So it says the last time it was charged was 1/16/2026. So it's just as you probably know, the US formatting of dates is completely unusual. It's the 16th of January of 2026. So let's have a look at the battery health. This device is still covered under Apple Care. This is still covered under Apple's warranty. It's at 183 cycles and 100% battery health. That is absolutely remarkable. This is basically a brand new iPhone. I'm actually quite shocked. It says the first manufactured in December 2024, but it was first used in May 2025. It still has it still has another 5 months of Apple Care. That's absolutely insane. That is insane for us to be able to pick something up like this. That's incredible. It's absolutely mint condition. I am absolutely gobsmacked. I am gobsmacked. 100% battery health. That's incredible. Guys, this is a brilliant find from Best Buy. And do you know what? I absolutely agree. I think this is an amazing deal to be able to pick up for $600 from Best Buy. Brilliant, guys. If you see a deal like this on their refurbished site, pick one up, because we've basically just picked up a pristine iPhone 16 Pro cycle count, 100% battery health. That's very unique. So that is brilliant to be able to pick up. And guys, these 16 Pro Maxes, they are absolutely toe-to-toe with the 17 Pro Max. So if you are looking for an iPhone, place to go right now. And it runs absolutely fine. Like, it's running flawless. There's no stutters, no issues, nowhere. So it's working as it should be. And I would 100% agree that if you're looking for an iPhone, pick one up, because the 16 Pro Max is a brilliant device. And if you're looking for one, try to get a refurbished one from Best Buy. But the only downside I want to say about this is I'm not happy with this cable. Now, the company that provided it was reselling within Best Buy, so I guess it's not really Best Buy's fault. A company called Network Store. And I'm not happy with this cable. This isn't, you know, you're paying $600-700 for a phone. You should give a proper cable, man. Like, come on. But I'm not going to say anything wrong. It's a silver iPhone. It looks brilliant. And do you know what? Let me compare it side by side with the other iPhones that I have. So, as you can see, all three devices are next to each other. Now, can you guess which one's which? Well, this is the iPhone 16 Pro Max, as you can see right here. This is the iPhone 16 Pro Max, as you can see right here in the color black. And then this is, of course, the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now, as you can see, the 16 Pro Max in silver, 17 Pro Max in silver. And it just looks really nice, doesn't it? It just looks brilliant, both of them. But honestly, this feels more premium than this one does. So, but obviously this is the latest and greatest. And the reason why I've got my 16 Pro Max in black right here is because, guys, just look, it's just two lovely, fantastic colors. I actually really prefer the silver than the black. I'm not gonna lie, the silver looks stunning compared to the black. So, but yeah, 16 Pro Max, 16 Pro Max, Best Buy, and this was one of the ones from Hoxton Max. So guys, if you're looking for great devices for a good price, Best Buy in the United States, Hoxton Max in the UK. But this was my quick unboxing of the iPhone 16 Pro Max that I picked up from Best Buy. This was one of my first US purchases, and now watch out for the next one because we're going to be looking at another device.